So, if you're a home service contractor, you know the feeling, right? The constant frustration with marketing that just doesn't work. Everyone tells you that you need more leads, but what you really need is a steady, predictable flow of booked jobs. Let's get into it and unpack a completely different way to think about growing your business. And you know what? I hear this all the time. Honestly, another marketing agency? And that's a totally fair question. You've probably been burned before. You've hired agencies that sell you these little bits and pieces, some SEO over here, some ads over there, and when it doesn't work, well, everybody just points fingers at each other. That skepticism is well earned. In fact, there's a name for this exact problem. We call it the vendor chaos trap. It's exactly what happens when you have a web guy, a separate SEO agency, and another bill for ads. You're not buying a machine, you're just buying a bunch of disconnected parts. And that creates all these gaps where your money and your opportunities just fall right through the cracks. I mean, does any of this sound familiar? Maybe your SEO is actually working. You're getting people to your site, but for some reason, nobody ever books a job. Or maybe your ads are generating calls, but you're out on a job, your follow-up is a little slow, and by the time you call back, they've already hired your competitor. And at the end of the month, all the vendors just blame each other when the numbers don't add up. Each part might look like it's working, but because nothing is connected, the whole system just fails. So this is where we have to totally shift our perspective. The old way is all about paying a recurring expense. You're just buying leads, you're renting attention from someone else. The engine way is about making an investment to install a permanent asset in your business. You're literally moving from that vendor chaos to a synchronized machine that you actually own, an asset that builds real equity in your business month after month. And that's the core idea right there. The real goal isn't just a bigger list of leads. It's about building a predictable, stable flow of actual booked jobs. It's about replacing hope with math and getting rid of those feast or famine cycles for good. So how does this machine actually work? Well, it's built on 4 integrated layers. Each one is designed to support the others, creating this closed-loop system where nothing gets lost. Let's break them down one by one. Okay, first up, the foundation, job conversion. This is all about your website. But listen, we're not talking about some simple online brochure here. We're talking about a tool that is engineered for one single purpose, to get a visitor to book a job, period. And this is such a critical distinction. The old way gives you a passive digital sign that just lists what you do. It might look pretty, sure. But the engine way installs a high-performance intake terminal, a tool that's specifically built to psychologically lower a customer's resistance and physically reduce the friction it takes to actually schedule that appointment. All right, let's move to the next layer and see how this all connects. Once your website is actually ready to convert people, you need to fuel it. And that's where high-intent intake comes in. This is not about chasing some vanity keywords just so you can brag about being number one. No, this is all about precision. This system targets homeowners in your specific service area who are searching for the exact solution you provide at the very moment they need it. These are not passive browsers. These are high-quality opportunities ready to be fed directly into your conversion-focused website. Okay, so you've got a website that converts, and you've got a flow of high-intent organic traffic. Layer 3, flow stabilization, is what gives you control. This is where we use paid ads strategically, not just as a way to burn money and hope the phone rings. I want you to think of this like a control valve for your workflow. Got a slow week coming up? No problem. Open the valve and instantly inject a targeted volume of leads. Are your crews booked solid for the next 2 weeks? Awesome. Throttle it all the way back to 0. You are finally in complete control of your workflow. And finally, we have the 4th layer, which is maybe the most critical of all, momentum protection. This is the safety net that makes sure no opportunity ever leaks out of your bucket, even when you're on a job site and you can't possibly answer the phone. Just think about this scenario for a second. A potential customer calls while you're under a sink. It goes to voicemail. What do they do next? We all know what they do. They hang up and they call your competitor. Well, this AI safety net stops that cold. Within seconds of a missed call, it sends a text, it engages the lead, and it keeps them warm until you can follow up. It literally captures revenue that you were losing before. So with all these layers working together, who is this system actually for? Because it's powerful, but it's definitely not for everyone. It's specifically engineered for owner-operators and small crew contractors. Look, this is for you if you're sick and tired of the vendor chaos and you want to own your lead generation instead of just renting it.
But if you're just hunting for the cheapest possible leads you can find, or if you see marketing as just another cost instead of an investment in an asset, this is not going to be the right fit. This is for builders.
And really, that's the bottom line. This is for the contractor who's thinking about the long-term value and the equity of their business. You're not just buying some ads for a month, you're installing an operational infrastructure that becomes a permanent, valuable part of your company.
And a really crucial part of this whole model is exclusivity. This isn't one of those agencies that will work with you and also your top 3 competitors in the same town. No way. It's a one partner per market mandate. When we form a partnership, that territory is locked. You get exclusive access. We will not take your competitor's check. So this all brings us to one final, really important question. It's one that requires a complete shift in how you think about the core problem you're probably facing every single day. You see, the most pressing issue isn't always about how to get more water into the bucket. It's about how to plug the holes so you don't lose what you already have. By building a synchronized system, you stop the leaks and you create a business that doesn't just survive, it grows predictably.